It is super special to ski in the snow. You can create the letter S in the snow. Are you seeking some sunshine? Come along. This is the letter S. It makes the sound S, S for swan. The swan swims on the sparkly sea under the summer sun. Let's do some fun activities to learn how to write and identify the letter S. You will need a screwdriver for the first activity. Not really. Your hands and fingers will be your pretend screwdriver. Place a sheet of polystyrene on a table. Write the letter S on the polystyrene. Count the screws and make some dots where you will place the screws. Start at the top, start at the beak of the swan. Go all the way around the curves until you reach the tail of the swan. Take one screw at a time, place it on the dot. Use your fingers to turn the screw. Go all the way around the curved lines of the letter S. This is such a good activity for you. Even your fingers are getting some exercise. Fantastic! You are doing a great job. Let's turn all the screws to face the right side. Do you know where your right hand is? Point with your left hand to the left side. Turn all the screws to the left side. Your left hand and right hand are working together as a team, while your fingers are getting some finger exercise. Take out all the screws. Place a piece of paper or cardboard on top of the polystyrene. Use some sticky tape to stick down your paper's corners to keep it steady while doing your activity. Write down the letters on your paper. Take a stick with a sharp point. You may also use a sharp pencil. Start to prick some holes in the letter S. Start at the top and follow the curvy lines. Use your left hand to support the paper. Make sure to space your holes evenly when pricking the letter S. Slide your finger over the letter S with the holes in it to feel the texture. Have you ever seen a black swan? Look at this graceful black swan. Let's use some black feathers to create our own black swan with the letter S. Use the paper with the holes pricked in them. Apply some glue on the letter S. Always follow the path from the top, along the curvy lines and end at the tail. Take the black feathers and paste them on the glue. Wait until your black swan dries. Touch the feathers and feel the soft texture of the letter S. Slime time? Yay or yuck? Snails leave a trail of slime. Let's follow the snail's example. Write down the letter S on your paper. Take out your slimy slime. Place the slime on the letter S. What color is your slime? Mine is pink. Feel your path around the letter S. Touch the letter S from top to bottom. Now that was fun. The slime activity makes me smile. We will use sandpaper for the next activity, but not as fancy as in this video. Just a plain sheet of sandpaper. Ask your mum or teacher to cut out the letter S. Apply some glue on the cardboard and paste your sandpaper letters on the glue. Now you can trace the letters along the curvy lines of the sandpaper. You can also use the leftover sandpaper to create the letters. Tear the sandpaper into small pieces and place it on top of the glue. Wait until it is dry, and then you can feel the letter S with your finger. This is steel wool. We use steel wool to scrub rust from steel, but we are going to use the steel wool to create the letters. Take small pieces and place it on the glue to form the letters. Wait until the steel wool is dry and touch the letter S. Your hands will get so dirty from using the steel wool. I have a great plan. The next activity will certainly help you to clean your hands thoroughly. Take some sanitizer or liquid soap and squeeze it in the shape of the letters on a tray. Trace with your index finger along with the shape of the letters. Afterwards, you can use the sanitizer to wash your hands before our next activity. This activity is one of my favorites. I just love Play-Doh, especially yellow Play-Doh. It reminds me of the sun. Use your hands to transform the Play-Doh into a long snake. Use the Play-Doh snake to form the letters. Use your index finger to press down the Play-Doh snake all along the curved lines of the letters. Take the stick, prick some holes in the letters from top to bottom. This Play-Doh snake reminds me of a real snake. Do you like snakes? Snakes are a bit scary. But no worries, the next activity will only include a plastic snake. Do you have a plastic snake? Place some press-stick bits or blue tack on the letters. Take the plastic snake and press it firmly into the press-stick or the blue tack. Feel the letters while touching the snake. Start at the mouth of the snake and go all along its body, ending at its tail. What is your favorite sweet? Mine is Smarties. What a lot I've got! Take a whole bunch of Smarties and form the letter S. That looks super colourful. I wish I could put a couple of Smarties in my mouth. But I'll wait until this activity is done. That looks very nice. Now, write down the letter S. You can also ask your mum to do it for you. Place one Smartie at a time to form the letter S. Admire your Smarties S, and then you are more than welcome to munch the Smarties. Yay! Sparkly sparkle time. Ask your mum to get you some mosaic art supplies. Take some pieces of sparkly mirrors and create a sparkly letter S. Look at how the letter S sparkles in the sun. Wow, that is so pretty. More sparkly sparklers? Ask an adult to help you with this activity. You have to be safe and sound when playing and learning with sparklers. Light the sparkler and try to wave it in the air in the shape of the letter S. This activity will work best when it is a bit darker. My favorite game to play outside is hide and seek. What is your favorite game to play outside? We are going to place some objects inside a bag. You are not allowed to peek. Now you can seek and guess which things are in the bag. Take one item out of the bag at a time. Touch the object without looking at it. Can you guess the name of the object? Your mum can also use items that start with the letter S. Can you name items that start with the letter S? Sea and sand. That's right. I want to put my feet in the sand at the sea. But wait, I have a solution for this. Take some sand or salt and write the letter S in the sand. Use a container to pour in some water. Spray the water in the shape of the letter S in the sand. Start at the top and spray the water all around. Use your finger and trace along the wet sand. Sand, sea and salt. The perfect beach holiday. Sand, sea and sunshine. This is a sunflower. Do you know how the seeds of a sunflower look? Ask your mum to buy you a packet of sunflower seeds. Pour the sunflower seeds on a tray and write the letter S. What? Rather sparkly stars? Apply some glue in the shape of the letter S. Place some sparkly stars on the glue to create the letter S. Now let it dry and see how the stars sparkle in the sun rays. That is so beautiful. You are my superstar. Superstars are superb. Superstars are special. You are my special, superb superstar. Let's try another sparkly star activity. Write the letters on a piece of paper. Take some sparkly star stickers and stick it on the letters. Do you think this letters will also sparkle in the sun? Let's wait and see. It does! Sparkly stars always sparkle. Trace with your finger. I hope you enjoy the last activity as much as I do. Take a stamp to exercise the letters, or use a stencil. Color the inside of the stencil. Then you can lift it up to see the letters. Letters does not always look the same in each and every book, magazine, or on the computer, but it still stays the same letter. You are more than welcome to do these activities when you learn about other ABC letters. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell. You will be able to find loads and loads more fun educational videos on our channel. I hope to see you soon. Happy learning!